In an unprecedented technological move, the Chinese military is gradually beginning to replace human soldiers with robots armed with rifles. Recent research has shown that these semi-autonomous machines are capable of shooting with the same effectiveness as humans, which is expected to significantly improve the combat capabilities of the troops and protect important facilities. On this occasion, we will take a look at one of China's most promising robot dogs, the Unri B2. But before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this. Now, let's get started. The Chinese robot Unri B2 is setting new standards in the field of advanced robotics. This robot can maintain balance on stairs and can accelerate to an impressive speed of 6 meters per second, ms. Additionally, it can carry a load exceeding 120 kilograms and can operate for more than 5 hours on a single battery charge. The previous model, the Unri B1, introduced in 2022, was designed for industrial uses. This model could move underwater, carry a load of up to 80 kilograms, and operate continuously for 2 hours without needing a recharge. Now, Unitary Robotics has developed a more advanced version, the Unri B2. The new quadruped robot weighs 60 kilograms and is equipped with more powerful actuators that generate a torque of 380 Newton meters. Thanks to these actuators, the robot dog can carry up to 120 kilograms of static load and more than 40 kilograms while moving. With a battery capacity of 2250 watt-hours, the robot can move continuously for more than 5 hours without a charge, covering approximately 20 kilometers, and for more than 2 hours with a load of 45 kilograms. The dynamic characteristics of the actuators allow the robot to perform long jumps of more than 16 m, jump from heights over 1 m, and run at a maximum speed of 6 m per s. Additionally, the robot is extremely stable, capable of maintaining balance on a slippery floor covered with banana peels, despite being pushed by engineers. The Unri B2 can walk on stairs, even backwards or sideways. The robot can also climb 45-degree slopes and move over uneven surfaces. For its spatial orientation, the B2 uses a LiDAR depth camera and a regular high-resolution camera. The robot is planned to be used in the industry for remote object inspection, and the military also has plans to use it for their purposes. In addition to all the mentioned features, the walking robot Unri B2 can easily be converted into a wheeled version. To do this, you just need to replace the lower parts of the legs. In green camouflage tones and with a protective mesh, this robot dog was presented as the latest innovation of the Chinese military industry at the China Air Show. During the presentations, it was demonstrated that this robot can ascend and descend, move in all directions, and rotate on its axis. This innovative design not only highlights China's technological advancement in the field of military robotics, but also underscores the versatility of these robots in various applications, from industrial tasks to complex military operations. The ability of the Unri B2 to adapt to different environments and fulfill multiple functions makes it an indispensable tool for the future of tactical and logistical operations. Although the development of the Unri B2 is exciting, many observers have noted that the Chinese robot is, in fact, a copy of the Boston Dynamics model, a company that has been developing similar robots for years and is world-renowned for its achievements in this field. It is still unknown whether the Chinese acquired a license from the American company or managed to closely replicate this invention. Additionally, many experts express concerns about the potential use of these robots for military purposes, fearing an escalation of international tensions and an arms race. China is showcasing advanced military technologies in the context of growing tensions with the United States. Recently, the Chinese revealed new examples of high-tech weaponry, including armed robot dogs, drones, and spy balloons. The impact of these technologies on global security and power dynamics among nations is a subject of great debate. The possibility that these robots could be used in armed conflicts raises serious ethical and practical concerns. The ability of robots to operate semi-autonomously and make combat decisions could radically change the nature of warfare, and the rules of engagement. On the other hand, the use of these robots for non-combat tasks, such as remote inspection and assistance in natural disasters, could have significant benefits. The ability of these robots to operate in dangerous environments and perform tasks that would be risky for humans can save lives and improve operational efficiency in various fields. In October 2022, China unveiled a robot dog equipped with a machine gun that can be transported by a drone. In a video, the drone drops the robot dog onto the roof of a building. After the UAV withdraws, the robot dog, with a machine gun mounted on its back, stands up and begins to inspect the landing area for potential enemies within firing range. These drones can be used to attack vulnerable positions behind enemy lines or to occupy rooftops, enabling three-dimensional attacks. The weapon used by the robot dog is the Chinese QBB-97 light machine gun, capable of firing up to 650 rounds per minute with an effective range of up to 400 meters. The weapon is configured in a bullpup design and uses a new Chinese intermediate 58mm cartridge in its base version. The Chinese Army's new combat robots are adapted to any terrain and can replace soldiers in particularly dangerous missions. In the United States, a robot dog with a flamethrower attached to its back has gone on sale. The manufacturer Throwflame introduced its new creation called the Terminator last summer, and it is now available for purchase. The company shared a video showcasing the capabilities of the Terminator. In the video, less than 2 minutes long, the fuel for the flamethrower is shown being filled into the back of the robot. Then, the Terminator is seen launching flames, including a sequence demonstrating its jumping ability. The robot is priced at nearly $10,000. Some critics warn that if the robot falls into the wrong hands, serious problems could arise. However, the developers do not consider their creation a weapon, but a tool for special effects, given Throwflame's active involvement in the film industry. The appearance of these armed robots in the civilian market raises questions about the regulation and control of these technologies. The ease with which they can be acquired and potentially modified for undesirable uses is a significant concern. Authorities will need to carefully consider the implications of allowing the sale of these devices and establish appropriate regulatory frameworks to prevent their misuse. Meanwhile, in the United Kingdom, the robot called Ghost V60 is already being actively used by the military. Soldiers of the UK's 23rd Parachute Engineer Regiment are testing the capabilities of the robot dog in collaboration with experts from the Defense Equipment and Support Expeditionary Robotics Center. They will evaluate how the machine operates under different conditions and its utility on the battlefield. The quadruped robot V60 can navigate complex terrains in urban areas or in nature at speeds of up to 10 kilometers per h and carry a load of up to 10 kilograms. The robot can be transported to the task area by helicopter or dropped by parachute, and then the operator must control it remotely using a special controller, as no autonomous mode is provided. However, the manufacturer has provided protection for the electronic components against rain and other weather conditions. Integrated cameras on the front, rear, and sides allow for a 360 degrees view, complemented by a light detection and ranging display system. In modern combat environments, robotics is becoming increasingly important, enabling soldiers to act faster and for longer periods. The four-legged Ghost V60 provides greater situational awareness for soldiers on the ground. It can serve as the eyes and ears of troops on the front lines, enhancing accuracy in identifying and capturing targets. A British Army engineer commented that there are many potential ways to use the robot, such as delivering critical equipment to soldiers, exploring dangerous areas, and performing combat tasks too dangerous for humans, thereby reducing risks to soldiers' lives and facilitating their work. I'll take a moment to remind you that if you're enjoying the video, please leave a like and subscribe so you don't miss out on more videos like this. Now, let's continue. In early November 2022, a new advancement in military robotics was unveiled at an exhibition in China, a combat robot dog equipped with an automatic pistol mounted on its back. This development represents a significant technical challenge due to the weapon's mass and the recoil effect when firing. However, the People's Liberation Army of China has shown a strong interest in using military equipment with heavier weaponry capable of performing combat tasks remotely or in fully autonomous mode. It has been reported that this robot can carry a 14 kilograms pistol on its back and be operated via an application on a military tablet equipped with integrated cameras that provide a 360 degrees field of view. The incorporation of armed robots into the Chinese military forces represents a significant evolution in military strategy and the use of technology to enhance battlefield effectiveness. These developments also indicate a growing trend towards automation and the use of artificial intelligence in military operations, which could significantly alter the dynamics of combat in the near future. Simultaneously, at the Army 2022 military exhibition held in Moscow, Russia unveiled its latest development, a robot dog armed with a grenade launcher. This project, developed by the company Intellect Machines, which specializes in robotics, weaponry, and artificial intelligence, claims that the robot dog is capable of accurate shooting, transporting weapons, and being useful in civilian situations for reconnaissance, navigating through debris, and delivering medications. In combat conditions, the robot dog can be used for aiming assistance, patrolling, and security. However, in the United States, the originality of this development has been questioned, suggesting it might be a copy of the Chinese M81 model, which was covered with fabric to conceal its origin, raising questions about the true Russian manufacturer. The race among nations to develop advanced military robots is rapidly driving innovation in this field. However, it also presents significant challenges in terms of security and ethics. The possibility of these robots being used in armed conflicts without direct human supervision is a major concern. Moreover, the ability of these robots to operate in autonomous modes raises questions about responsibility and decision-making in combat situations. In this context of rapid technological evolution, it is imperative that nations establish robust regulations and ethical frameworks to guide the development and use of military robots. International cooperation and dialogue will be crucial to addressing these challenges and ensuring that advances in military robotics are used in ways that promote peace and global security. The implementation of these developments must be managed carefully to balance technological opportunities with inherent risks, ensuring responsible and safe use that benefits humanity as a whole. Robotics is advancing at a breakneck pace, and its application in the design and use of robot dogs, both in military and civilian spheres, is growing rapidly. These developments not only open doors to exciting possibilities for increasing efficiency and safety in a variety of tasks, but also raise important ethical and security concerns. As more countries begin to develop and deploy these robots, creating regulations and international agreements to ensure their responsible and safe use becomes essential. The evolution of robot dogs, such as the Unri B2, the Terminator, and the Ghost V60, not only underscores the impressive potential of these innovations, but also highlights the need to deeply reflect on their long-term implications. Recent advances in military robotics reflect a clear trend toward the incorporation of artificial intelligence and advanced technologies on the battlefield. These developments have the potential to significantly transform how military operations are conducted, enhancing efficiency and minimizing risks for human soldiers. However, it is crucial to consider the potential risks and challenges that accompany the use of these technologies. Military robots, such as the newly unveiled combat robot dogs equipped with automatic weapons, represent significant technical achievements. These robots can carry heavy weaponry and perform combat tasks either remotely or autonomously. For instance, the People's Liberation Army of China has shown strong interest in using these robots, equipped with 14 kilograms automatic pistols, controlled via military tablets with integrated 360 degrees cameras. Similarly, Russia has presented robot dogs armed with grenade launchers, capable of precise shooting and performing various roles in both civilian and combat scenarios. These robots, developed by companies specializing in robotics, weaponry, and artificial intelligence, are designed to navigate through debris, deliver medications, assist in aiming, patrol, and provide security. The incorporation of armed robots into military forces represents a significant evolution in military strategy and the use of technology to enhance battlefield effectiveness. These developments indicate a growing trend toward automation and the use of artificial intelligence in military operations, which could significantly alter the dynamics of combat in the near future. The ability of these robots to operate semi-autonomously or autonomously raises important questions about responsibility, decision-making, and the ethical implications of their use in combat situations. In the coming years, the regulation and control of military robots will be critical issues. It will be imperative to develop robust legal and ethical frameworks that guide the development and implementation of these technologies, ensuring their use is responsible and beneficial to humanity. International cooperation and dialogue will be key elements in addressing these challenges and ensuring that advances in military robotics are used in ways that promote peace and global security. Establishing such frameworks will involve collaboration between governments, military organizations, technology developers, and ethicists to create standards that balance innovation with safety and ethical considerations. The evolution of robot dogs and other robotic technologies offers an early glimpse into the future of warfare and military operations. These developments have the potential to radically change the dynamics of combat and global security. Therefore, it is essential to approach these advances with a careful and thoughtful perspective. As we continue to explore and develop these technologies, we must maintain a balanced approach that considers both opportunities and risks, ensuring the benefits of robotics are realized in a safe and responsible manner. The integration of robots in both civilian and military applications represents a double-edged sword. On one side, the promises of improved efficiency, precision, and safety. On the other, the ethical and security complexities these technologies pose. This balance between potential and precaution must be carefully managed through well-designed regulations and active international collaboration. The goal should be to ensure that technological advances serve the common good and do not become sources of new dangers. And that's it for today's video. Remember to leave a like if you enjoyed it and subscribe by clicking the notification bell so you don't miss more videos like this. We'll see you next time.